People tend to say that you best learn a language when you talk to native speakers. And that's because native speakers are alive and they speak the language, and therefore the language is alive to us as well. So it's absolutely true that it's amazing to learn a language by talking to native speakers, but for us as teachers, we don't always have native speakers around that we can bring to our classes in order to make the language alive. So laughter exercise is a great tool that we can use in order to make that language alive in our lessons. We can put our content in a little laughter story, and because laughter triggers a strong emotional response, a positive emotional response in our students, it makes them feel good. And when they feel good, they feel alive. And all of a sudden, the language to them is alive as well. So here's an example of what it may look like. Merde! Merde! If you know a teacher who needs to hear this, then tag them below or share this video